Hello my creative friends, Olga from Smart Art Materials here, and today I have a new Dutch pour with silicone video for you, but at this time it's going to be on a black base, so with black negative space. And I've done it with black once before, but I didn't add any silicone, so today I want to make it a little different and see how that works. But before we get started, do you remember that last week I mentioned that there is something really cool and exciting happening on my channel soon? Well, right now I just want to quickly tell you a little more about it. So like I said before, it's going to be a completely new format of the video. And this new video, or actually it's going to be a series of videos, is going to be called Interview with Acrylic Pouring Influencer. So in those videos, I'm going to be interviewing popular fluid artists and YouTube creators. And who doesn't want to know their favorite artists a little better, right? So the first video is coming up on Friday, May 17th, and here's a little fragment from it. Are you ready for my questions? I'm actually very excited to get to know you a little better, to know your story, maybe some of your secrets too. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so who is going to be my first interviewee? I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Ta-da! And you probably already know who that is, don't you? Let me know what's your guess in a comment, and in the next video I'm gonna let you know if you're right or not. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna use this guy to create something really cool. So let's get started. So here I have just under 1 ounce of each color, and I'm adding 1 drop of silicone per color. As always, you can find all the information about the paint that I'm using as well as the ratio in the description of the video. So now, after blowing, I let it sit for a few minutes just to see the way cells pop up, and I really like that center part, so I'm gonna try to work carefully and keep it the way it is. So right now I really like this center part with black over yellow and aqua around. I think it's very pretty, but I don't like that there is so much empty space. I think there's too much black, so I'm just gonna take a risk and we'll keep on blowing a little more, and hopefully will not ruin it. Alright, so now I definitely like it better. Luckily, I was able to keep this pretty yellow-black heart of this paint explosion. So now I'm just gonna do a couple close-ups and we'll show you the way it looks when dry. Alright, so it's been like 4 days. The red color has dried pretty dark, but I know that varnish will bring it back to life. The rest of the colors dried really nice, so I'm very happy about it. And this aqua color around the yellow is actually a color shift, so it looks just amazing on a changing light. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear from you how you like this technique with a black negative space. And thank you so much for watching and for all the support. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and happy pouring!